In this video, I will show you how to spot fake bank statements or how to identify fake bank statements. Fake bank statements are on the rise and being used for unlawful financial gain, but how can you identify if a statement is falsified? So this guide will allow you to learn how you can spot fake bank statements. So a bank statement is a summary of bank transactions and account balances over a specific period of time. It is issued by banks and credit unions to keep customers informed about activity in their accounts. So why are they being fake? Unfortunately, fake bank statements are currently for deceptive and illegal purposes. So the common reasons why these are being fake is to get approved for loans or credit cards by exaggerating income and assets, qualify for rental releases by appearing financially stable, to get hired for jobs that require proof of steady income, to support fraudulent insurance claims about lost or stolen items, and to launder money obtained through criminal or illegal means. So in this video, I'll show you 5 that you need to look out for these bank statements to specify which are the fake ones. First would be bank statement reconciliation does not match. A key technique is to verify that the transaction details in the statements adds up to the totals listed. Second would be inconsistent layouts or fonts. Banks always use exact same template, formatting, colors, and fonts across real statements, and this maintains their professional brand image. So authentic statements keep tightly consistent designs for their bank statements. The third thing that you need to check would be the round numbers. So many round numbers. Genuine bank transactions will have specific dollar amounts, often down to the penny. Fake bank statements tend to use round numbers or multiples of hundreds, thousands instead. Double-check account numbers with bank. The account number listed on a questionable statement should be verified directly with the bank. Call the customer service number and confirm whether the account number belongs to the person and matches the records. And last but not least, grammar or typographic errors. Official bank statements and documents are always professionally written and check for errors before releases. So these are a few of the things that will allow you to identify fake bank statements. Make sure to check that out before you tell if a bank statement is genuine. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.